This is Miss Gatz, and we are doing Algebra 2A today. And I'm going to start out by saying this whole unit is going to be revolving around data in some way. So when we first start this unit, I want to talk about the vocabulary words we're going to be using and what you need to know. The first vocabulary word I'm going to talk about, categorical variable. All that means is that it has a fixed number of possibilities. Like, it's going to be like we're going to put things in categories. So we have like blood type. That's a category. If we were finding data, we would categorize blood type A, B, O. Maybe we're asking what state people live in. We're categorizing what state you live in. Maybe we're asking people what political party they are affiliated with. We are categorizing what party they're affiliated with. The next word we're going to talk about, quantitative variable. Now, I want you to think of the word quantity when you think of this, because here we're talking about one exact answer. So like this, Miss Gatz has one dog. I don't have 1.5 dogs. I don't have one dog today and 2 dogs tomorrow. I have one dog. Then Miss Gatz has 2 cats. I have 2 cats. I don't have 2.5 cats. I have 2 cats. That's a quantitative answer. Okay? So it can either be categorical or quantitative. Okay, let's talk about continuous variable. Oh, sorry. In a continuous variable, you can have infinite number of possibilities. Here, we could talk about height, because I could be 4'11". I don't have to be just 4 foot. Like up here, I had to have 2 cats. Down here, I could be 4 foot 11 inches, which I happen to be, because you all are going to ask me a million times this year. So we can have decimal answers here. Also, we can talk about time. First of all, there's an infinite number of possibilities for time, and we can talk about time in terms of decimals. Make sure you can see this. Now we're going to talk about discrete variable. Discrete variable has a finite, which means that's limited, number of possibilities. Variables can only take on finite values. That's what a discrete variable is called. So it can't be unlimited like height and time. It has to be discrete. Some quantitative variables are discrete variables, because you notice these are quite a bit the same, and we'll talk about that a little later. I just wanted you to know the different types and the explanations for each. I have a worksheet for you that you're going to be getting in class, and you are going to be taking each of these definitions and deciding certain things and where they go with that. You're going to categorize them. So that's what we're going to be doing when you get in class.